How to help a family in crisis. We all experience crises throughout our lifetime. Both seemingly large and small crises can throw our family into chaos. Here are 7 ways you can really help a family in crisis. Number 1. Think of the basics. One mom found herself parenting young children alone when her husband abruptly left the family. She says that everyone thought to bring meals, but the biggest help was the person who bought her staple items each week. Groceries like bread and milk helped her ensure that her girls had a breakfast each morning before going to school and something to take for a lunch. As she struggled to adjust to her new single parent lifestyle, having a friend bring over toiletries like toothpaste and toilet paper alleviated the need for her to run errands between working and trying to provide a stable home environment for her children. Offer empathy and compassion. First and foremost, before you can really find ways to help them practice, experiencing empathy can help you find to best support them. Empathy is to put yourself in their shoes, and compassion is essentially the actions you do because of feeling empathy. Now, if you are unable to offer practical support, for example, meal, childcare, showing empathy can be an invaluable form of emotional support. We all tend to easily fall into offering sympathy, but during a crisis, it can feel like pity to those offering. Pity is rarely, if ever, helpful. Help with children. When parents are overwhelmed and mind spinning, they are also often short tempered and low on entertaining ideas. Children in the family know something is wrong and they may be stressed too. Having a trusted adult take them out for a couple of hours or for the day is such a welcome thing in most cases, as mom and dad may be feeling guilty about not being very fun in their current situation. Acknowledge your fear and anxiety and then find ways to divert your attention. Children learn from watching others and will pick up on your worry and stress. Show them healthy ways for managing these emotions by acknowledging that you feel a certain way and then move to another activity that helps you focus on something else. Maybe you can read together or make something crafty with your children. Check in and be okay with no reply. Letting someone know you are thinking of them and you are available if they want to talk is a big help. Doing so in a way that doesn't require an answer, however, ensure you are not adding stress. No one wants to feel as though they have to share information or respond to every single message received. But it can mean a lot to get a message just letting them know you are thinking of them. Bring or send a treat. When we are in the middle of crisis, self-care is the last thing in our mind, despite a crisis being the time we need it most. A new book, chocolate, and coffee can be helpful. Not only are parents busy, but it also isn't uncommon for financial stress to be a part of a crisis. This means they are less likely to grab that coffee or a new book, even if both would serve as much needed self-care.